Today on this special episode, we're going to make apple pie. Make sure to follow us on YouTube for more videos like this. We're going to start off with 5 Gala apples and cut those in half. Once you cut that in half, we're going to put 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in a pan and let that melt down like that. We're going to go ahead and throw in our apples and give it a nice stir so it can be fully incorporated with the butter and cinnamon mix. And then we're going to go ahead and add in about like a half a cup of sugar. You can add more if you want it sweeter. Then you're going to go take about 3 tablespoons of water and put that in there and let that, stir that up and let that cook for about like 2 to 3 minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and get 3 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch apple mixture. You're going to give it a stir and you're going to let that cook for about 2 minutes until it starts to thicken up. And while that's cooking, you're going to go ahead and add in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and it'll get thick like that. So while the apple filling is thickening up, we're going to go ahead and prep our store-bought pie crust. With this, you're going to put it in your pan and you're going to want to make sure that you take a fork and poke around it because you don't want no air bubbles in your pies. You don't want none of that. So then after you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour our apple filling into the pie crust. And then after that, we're going to top our pie crust with a little crumble on top. And this is what it should look like before going in the oven. Make sure to bake your pie at 350 for 25 minutes. And you see that nice golden finish on that apple pie. We're going to go ahead and top that off with some whipped cream. And there you have it, apple pie for the win.